Stand like a man.
We have a list.
Yeah, you just said you guys are reading it. I'm not going to read it. Joseph, we're number 1 from A to Z. Better watch out because winners will be. We are awesome. Bodacious. Cool. Excellent. Fun. We're really humble. Joyful. Loving. Magnificent.
Number 1.
That's our team. We're number 1 team. Outstanding. Perfect. Quick. Respectful. Smart. Terrific.
Unstoppable.
Victors. Winners. Extreme.
Youthful.
And zealous. What does that mean?